today we're gonna do a science experiment called balloon inflation. This is another way of blowing a balloon without wasting your breath. Only the simple ingredients we need are a bottle, baking soda, vinegar, funnel, balloon, and if you want food colorings you can use them. Guys, the first step is to put the baking soda in the balloon. The way how you do it is you put the balloon like this on the funnel, and now you put the baking soda in the balloon. Before I put this balloon, I'm going to tell you have to put the balloons aside. Step is to pour the vinegar into the bottle. Good. I filled the vinegar into each bottles. Now the next step is to add colors. If you don't want to add colors, then don't. Okay, now I'm gonna close the bottles and then I'm gonna mix them. Now I'm gonna remove the caps off so I can put the balloon on top of the bottle. Okay guys, this is the last and final step. If you put the balloon like this, the baking soda will go mix to the vinegar and make carbon dioxide, and then it will go up and then it'll fill up the balloon with carbon dioxide, while the vinegar and baking soda will go up and fill up the balloon. Okay. And now for the yellow balloon. That is an explosion. Very big explosion. I can even see what's going on the inside. I like this balloon, by the way. It just exploded. And now for the red. Whoa! Whoa, it's going up fastly. I can see it that much. Peekaboo. Hello guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I hope you like this balloon experiment. It's very easy. It's like the easiest experiment you can do at home. With some simple materials you need at home to do this experiment. Bye guys, thanks for watching. I don't like it. I don't like it. Whatever, I'll just mix it.